Mama Robin's babies looking for worms. And she's out in this ring collecting them. Little baby bird. You're there, pretty little. Oh, you're a little baby robin. Aren't you a sweet little thing? I'm not gonna hurt you. Don't worry, I won't hurt you. I just want to get you on video. There we go. Look at you. Look at you. Alright, go back to practicing flying. I'm gonna leave you alone. I mean, look who came to visit and hang out with me and my plants. The second day in a row I've gone to go back from lunch break. And he's out here. Yesterday I scared him off. I didn't even notice him until I scared him off. And today I didn't notice him until I went to turn the key in the car and looked up and saw him. I wish I had the Sony Handycam so I could get you a good zoom on them, but I don't. So if you want to see some good close-ups of blue herons eating in the ocean, check out my video on blue herons out on Vancouver Island. So it just looks like a lot of tomatoes, vines. These are rising traub. But they're here in the woods because I haven't had a chance to make a space to actually grow them in. And when you look a little closer, you find out just how wrong you really are. There's a whole bunch of tomatoes in here. Tried a couple of these that the mice or whatever didn't get to, and man, are they good. So I guess I should get out here and do some staking. I don't know. I need some serious steaks.